Hey all, my name is Phil and welcome to another week of Forex Bunkers Weekly Wrap. Just wanted to apologise in advance. The normal login that I use for the charts that I record with is not working for some reason, so I've had to switch to a different one. And I have no lines on this one, so just going to go over quickly. I do apologise for that, and next week should be a lot better. Alright, let's start off with EU. This is a daily chart, and we're looking at this zone here for the week's movement. Basically from this candle here to the last one on the right was our weekly movement, within about 100-150 pip range, basically sideways all week. What we'll be looking for is, excuse the arrows, but just a break of this tight range zone. Keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on this bottom level around the 142.50 and let price break in either direction, either above it, which will head into some strong support and resistance just up here on higher time frames, and below as the step swing points. So keep an eye on EU, but overall we'll be looking for a break in either direction. My opinion on the bias for the week will be down, just based off GU's price action, but we'll wait and see how that pans out. The next pair we'll look at is GU, and GU had a little bit more movement this week. We have been approaching this top for a little while now. This is also a daily chart. We have made a new low a few days ago, about 2 weeks to be exact. I think we'll be heading towards that direction this week, so keep a close eye on this 160 mark, and if not, we will want to break 164 clearly, so keep an eye on both of those levels. But I think we'll see a further push down this week, which would be good to see. If you remember from last week, we've benched AU, but for the moment, just wanted to point out a few things with AU. We have been pulling back as we have stepped up. So the real question is now, do we break this new high, or does the pair start to retrace back? So the key moment to look here is 105.590 zone. See if it can be broken, and if it can, see if it will hold as support. But I have a general feeling that we'll see a further push down from the AU from about this point. But nothing tradable for me at the moment. GJ, we had a nice push down this week. I hope you got some pips off this long bounce. It was quite a nice bounce for 100-150 pips. But overall, we've seen a push down. Nice rejection from the price action up at this 140 zone. So keep an eye on current levels, which will be around here. This 134 area. This 133 area. And then this bottom 130 zone. Keep an eye on those areas if we do continue to push down. Now onto the master candles for the week. The master candles had a pretty woeful week this week. First bad week in quite a while, but that's alright, that's part of trading. Master candles are found here on GJ. Both of them were entered on the break one, and both of them were stopped out for 85 pips each. So yeah, that's about really all to say about the master candles this week. So 85 pips each, so 170. Yeah, that's right. Just making sure the math is right. 170 pips is loss on GJ this week, and on GU we had another breakdown, but this was over 50%, so this will be called break even. This break was 35.40 pips when the master candle was 50, this rejection here looked like it was going to continue, but that's break even. Get out of there, break even. If you do note that the high is just here, you can't see it on your chart, but that's right, just believe me. If you have a look on the 1 hour chart, you'll see what I mean. Stuff above that high was enough for a nice push down. But all in all, we didn't have that up there, and it's not part of the rules per se. So we'll call this break even. So not the best week for the master candle, but that's what happens in trading. You don't have always good weeks, or always good trades, I should probably say. Your aim is to have good weeks every week, and if you can obtain that and achieve that, then you're doing pretty well. Thanks for viewing. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, I do apologise for the no lines this week. We'll have that fixed for you next week. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I will talk to you all soon.